apartment 202 East 13th Street, apartment 5G. Going into the first bedroom. There's a personal closet there with its own bathroom. Next to our front door, we have a in-unit washer dryer. Here's the kitchen. There's a sink here, appliances. There's a storage closet here with a water heater. Here is the larger restroom. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. Going into the living room with stairs going up to the roof, which will have an attached picture of the roof. Entire living room to scale. Moving on to the other bedroom with a set of barn doors on both sides. For scale, this is a full-size mattress. There are 2 closets in the back with storage spaces and compartments in there. Room for a desk, cabinet, etc. AC unit in the window as well with additional storage on top. As shown before, there are stairs going up to the roof, which will have an attached picture. But in regards to storage spaces, there's storage above the main bathroom, above the kitchen unit, as well as the area above the first bedroom.